Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech. It's Jest, your go-to guy for all things tech. Today, we're taking a different route and diving into the world of education in Africa. So, buckle up, and let's explore the top education systems on the continent. First up, we have South Africa, standing tall with its superior educational system. Home to prestigious universities like the University of Cape Town and the University of the Witwatersrand, South Africa annually allocates millions of dollars to prioritize education investment. Next on the list is Mauritius, securing the second spot for its exceptional education system. Known for its quality and hailed as the best on the continent, Mauritius demonstrates its commitment to education through significant investments, boasting a literacy rate exceeding 90%. Now, let's talk about Ghana, securing the third position with a substantial annual investment in its education sector. Notable progress includes the introduction of free SHS education in 2017 and a focus on enhancing both primary and secondary education, leading to a commendable literacy rate. Tunisia follows closely, boasting a robust public education system that emphasizes accessibility and maintains its standing as the fourth best education system in Africa, with a high literacy rate. Botswana takes the fifth spot, showcasing a well-developed education system reflecting substantial governmental investment. The nation's high regard for education is evident through significant budget allocations. Rwanda, after overcoming the challenges post-1994 genocide, has made remarkable gains in primary education access, securing the sixth position in our list. Seychelles, at number 7, prioritizes education, boasting a well-developed system with high enrollment rates and one of Africa's highest literacy rates. Kenya, at 8, focuses on expanding primary education access, resulting in increased enrollment rates. The country is also recognized for its reputable universities and academic research. Nigeria, the giant of Africa, comes in at 9 with a diverse education landscape, featuring numerous universities and institutions. Challenges persist, but the country continues to produce a significant number of graduates. Morocco, at number 10, emphasizes education reform efforts with a focus on infrastructure development and teacher training, supported by prestigious universities and a strong emphasis on higher education. The list continues with Tanzania, Uganda, Senegal, Namibia, Zimbabwe, and more, each country showcasing its commitment to education and making significant strides in improving access and quality. While these rankings provide an overview, it's important to note that the strength of an education system can vary within a country. Factors like economic stability, government policies, and regional disparities can impact the quality and accessibility of education. Nevertheless, Africa is a region marked by resilience, innovation, and a strong commitment to improving access to quality education. The continent's future development is closely linked to the development of its education systems. So, that's it for today's exploration into Africa's education landscape. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, Jest from Jhuxtello iTech signing off. Stay curious.